In this video, we're going to show you how to easily add Google Translate to your WordPress website, making it accessible to a global audience. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Search plugin Google Translate. Click on Install Now. The plugin name is Translate WordPress with Translate. Click on Active the plugin. Go to the settings of the Translate plugin. Click on Drop-down. Click on the primary menu. Scroll down and click on Save Changes. Congratulations! You've successfully added Google Translate to your WordPress website. Now, your content is accessible to a global audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.